Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most common yet often debilitating mental health issues that many people face in their lives: anxiety. Anxiety is a natural and healthy emotion that is designed to keep us safe and alert in potentially dangerous situations. However, when anxiety becomes chronic, it can seriously affect our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. If you are one of the millions of people who struggle with anxiety, it is important to know that you are not alone. Anxiety affects people of all ages, races, genders, and backgrounds. It is a common mental health issue that can be managed and even overcome with the right tools, techniques, and mindset. So, if you are ready to break free from anxiety and reclaim your life, then let's get started. Step 1. Recognize your triggers. The first step to breaking free from anxiety is to recognize your triggers. It could be a certain situation, person, thought, or feeling. Once you have identified your triggers, you can start to develop coping strategies that will help you manage your anxiety in these situations. For example, if you know that public speaking triggers your anxiety, you can practice deep breathing exercises or visualization techniques to calm yourself down before a presentation. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing anxiety. It involves focusing on the present moment and accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. This can help you break free from the cycle of worry and anxiety and reduce the intensity of your symptoms. To practice mindfulness, try sitting in a quiet place and focusing on your breath. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Step 3. Challenge your negative thoughts. Anxiety is often fueled by negative thoughts and beliefs. These thoughts can be irrational and unhelpful, but they can feel very real and convincing. To break free from anxiety, it is important to challenge your negative thoughts and replace them with more positive and realistic ones. This takes practice and patience, but it is a powerful way to rewire your brain and reduce your anxiety over time. Whenever you notice a negative thought, try asking yourself if it is really true. Is there any evidence to support this thought? Is it helpful or productive? If not, try replacing it with a more positive and realistic thought. Step 4. Take action. Taking action is a crucial step in breaking free from anxiety. When you take action, you are sending a signal to your brain that you are capable of handling the situation and that you are not powerless. Action can take many forms. It could be taking a small step towards a goal, such as making a phone call or sending an email. Or it could be doing something that makes you feel good, such as exercising, spending time with friends, or pursuing a hobby. Whatever action you take, make sure it aligns with your values and goals. This will give you a sense of purpose and meaning, which can help you overcome your anxiety and live a more fulfilling life. Step 5. Seek help. The final step in breaking free from anxiety is to seek help if your symptoms are severe or interfering with your daily life. This may involve working with a mental health professional, such as a therapist or counselor, who can provide you with personalized strategies for managing your anxiety and work through any underlying issues that may be contributing to your symptoms. The decision to seek help can be a difficult one, as it may feel like admitting weakness or failure. However, it is important to remember that seeking help for anxiety is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to acknowledge that you need support and to take steps to get it. Here are some common types of mental health professionals who can help you with your anxiety. Therapist or counselor. These professionals are trained to help people with a wide range of mental health issues, including anxiety. They can work with you to identify the root causes of your anxiety, develop coping strategies, and provide support as you work to manage your symptoms. Psychiatrist. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who specializes in mental health. They can diagnose and treat mental health disorders, including anxiety, and may prescribe medication if necessary. Psychologist, like therapists and counselors. Psychologists are trained to help people with mental health issues. They may use talk therapy or other techniques to help you manage your anxiety. Social worker. Social workers are trained to help people with a wide range of issues, including mental health. They can provide counseling, connect you with resources in your community, and provide support as you work to manage your anxiety. When seeking help for anxiety, it is important to find a mental health professional who you feel comfortable talking to and who has experience working with anxiety. You may need to try a few different professionals before finding the right fit. It is also important to remember that seeking help is just one step in managing your anxiety. You will still need to practice the other steps outlined in this speech, such as recognizing your triggers, practicing mindfulness, challenging your negative thoughts, and taking action. But with the right support, you can overcome your anxiety and live a fulfilling life. In conclusion, anxiety can be a debilitating and overwhelming experience, but it is not something that you have to suffer through alone. By following the steps outlined in this speech, you can break free from anxiety and regain control over your life. Remember, the first step is to recognize your triggers and understand the root causes of your anxiety. From there, you can practice mindfulness and challenge your negative thoughts, which will help you to reframe your thinking and manage your symptoms more effectively. Taking action is also an essential part of breaking free from anxiety. This means facing your fears and gradually exposing yourself to situations that trigger your anxiety, with the support of a mental health professional if necessary. Finally, if your symptoms are severe or interfering with your daily life, it is important to seek help. Remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, and there are many mental health professionals who are trained to help you manage your anxiety and regain control over your life. By taking these steps, you can break free from anxiety and live a fulfilling and joyful life. Remember to be patient with yourself, as recovery is a journey that takes time and effort. With determination and the right support, you can overcome your anxiety and achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching our video on how to break free from anxiety. We hope that the information and strategies we've shared will help you to manage your symptoms and regain control over your life. At Think Jester, our goal is to provide valuable and informative content to our audience, and we are grateful for your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with others who may benefit from this information. We appreciate your feedback and suggestions for future videos, so please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey towards breaking free from anxiety.